Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enter an option trade on Webull. First, ensure you have options trading approval on your Webull account. This usually involves a quick application process within the app. Once approved, you can begin exploring the options chain for your desired stock. It's crucial to understand the basics of calls and puts, along with expiration dates and strike prices, before placing any trades. This foundational knowledge will guide your decisions. After selecting a stock, you'll see its options chain displaying various contracts. Here, you'll choose an expiration date that aligns with your strategy, whether it's a week or several months out. Next, pick your strike price, which is the price at which the underlying asset can be bought or sold. Finally, decide if you want to buy a call option, betting on a price increase, or a put option, anticipating a price decrease. Take your time to analyze the market. Once you've selected your contract, you'll specify the number of contracts you wish to trade. Remember, one contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Then, choose your order type. A limit order allows you to set a specific price, while a market order executes at the current best available price. Always double-check all the details, including the premium, before confirming your order to ensure accuracy and avoid errors. After your order is placed, it's essential to monitor your option trade closely. Market conditions can change rapidly, impacting your position. Consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses or take-profit orders to secure gains automatically. This proactive management helps protect your capital and lock in profits. Remember, options trading involves risk, so always trade responsibly. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.